If your credit score is below 700. By Mark Lee Jr. First, clean your credit report. Remove old addresses, former employers, and names. Manage your credit score on the link below the description with smartcredit.com and build your credit score. Check late payments are updated. You can inquire with a dispute letter. If you need help with getting access to letters, you can get them here for free in the description box below. Keep your credit card utilization under 30%. Lenders like to see if you are responsible and able to maintain the accounts you currently have. Do not make a single payment in a month. Making payments twice a month halves on your statement date. Credit scores are updated regularly. Request a pay to delete letter to remove department from your report. Cancel collections on repos, credit cards, student loans, and etc. on tcsgacademy.com. Doing it yourself helps understand it better and learn how to keep your score up. Watch this video to improve your credit score to gain financial freedom.